Have you ever imagined what will be the next generation inverter? Or when will be the next big change in inverter technology come? Do you also hide your old inverter battery in the corner of the house or office? If such questions keep coming in your mind, then let's see such an inverter which is next generation inverter and which is as attractive as it looks. Its performance is equally good. This inverter is made keeping in mind your future needs. We are talking about a new inverter technology from Luminous. Icon, the next generation inverter. Beautifully designed, unmatched performance and completely safe. First of all, we will install the battery in this inverter. We have Luminous 150Ah battery. The design of the Icon is really iconic because it has been given dedicated battery space. This inverter supports 150Ah to 220Ah tall, tubular and semi-tall tubular batteries. This single-unit inverter can be easily fitted anywhere in the house and looks quite elegant too. The exterior of this innovatively designed inverter is made of premium and tough ABS material. In pearl white look, this inverter looks very graceful and classy. Its matte black panel gives it a premium look. It has specially designed LED indicators of red and green lights in colors, which show all the necessary indications. Red glow means user attention is required. Let us now understand the safety features of this inverter. Icon inverter's connection with the battery is done inside the box itself, so there is no open contact. This gives complete safety for children. This inverter gives pure sine wave output which keeps your appliances safe. Icon inverter is designed in such a way that you do not face any problem. Its water top-up process is very easy. To top up the water, remove the top flap and pour distilled water into the cell, which shows less water with the help of a funnel. Water replacement is also very easy and spill-free. It is very easy to move with the help of wheels. Talking about the technical specifications, it is a 900 volt ampere inverter and its peak load is 756 watts, which can easily lift 3 BHK house basic power load. If in your house low input voltage comes like 100 to 180 volt, in that scenario, Icon inverter will charge the inverter battery with full current and battery will be charged in 3 to 4 hours less time compared to other inverter. So you also bring Icon inverter and get uninterrupted power supply. Make your home more beautiful and safe than before. Icon, the next generation inverter. For more details, visit www.luminousindia.com or call 1-800-103-3039. To join on WhatsApp, type HI on WhatsApp on your mobile and send it to 7042 833 939. Like the video and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon.